Ladies and gentlemen, living historic moments, we still can't believe it. Today is Monday, July 13th, 2026. Fred and I, hello guys, are at Blue Springs National or State Park. So we are riding to the canoe kayak launching dock. We don't have Gloria. Gloria stayed home again. She had a headache. Plus, it's overcast. Not really happy about it being overcast because the sun really helps with the the way things look. Anyway, I'm not gonna be here very long. His mom has an appointment, doctor's appointment today. This is about an hour and 20 minutes away from the house. So anyway, I'm going to go over to the Blue Spring to see what it looks like, and I will be back with Gloria, right? I'm Fred. Yeah. Let's go. Let's come back with her, so that I can take some underwater footage. Some vultures going on. Anyway, I will keep you informed as these historic moments transcend. I got to see my alligator. Right, guys, the vultures are waiting for somebody to die because they only eat dead things. So I don't know what's going on. They're waiting for me. You won't have to wait long, guys. Anyway, Fred and I are going to go kayaking for a little bit. I can't go in there. We can't be going for too long. We cannot kayak for too long today. Okay. Okay. All right. Yeah. It's not my time yet, you fucker. Not my time yet. Okay. All right. I am in the water. I have to rush. I have to hurry because the Blue Spring part of the spring closes for swimmers soon. So I will keep you informed. I just want to see the blue part of Blue Springs. And then next time I come, I'll come earlier and I will bring Gloria. Sorry, Gloria, I totally forgot about you. All right.
Here, 1 second, I'm coming. We got it. Yes, maybe.
think these are either this one or this one.
Never mind. What are they doing?
They're just scratching their back. That little, oh my god.
Why is he bullying the mom? Where'd the baby go? I think you lost your kid, dude.
Wow. This is great. All right, I'm definitely coming back. Definitely coming back on a sunny day with Gloria, because we can, I believe you can kayak up to here onto the buoys. No vessels allowed in the swimming area, so we can kayak. I can kayak up to here, and I get to see the manatees and the fish. And then this is the swimming area.
I've seen a gator there. Look, when they're about to close it, one of them will like grab on down like that. Bang. Bang. See? They can't climb up that.
Yeah, all of them. I'm not sure about the teenagers, but that guy kept running into them. But that's what they're trained to do, but he keeps getting pushed.
Wow.
The tree's in my way, what's happening? I lost the baby. Of what? Where? He's on this side of the log. Yeah, they did. It was way out that way. I lost the baby again.
Okay, so I had to cut my trip short to Blue Springs for several reasons. First of all, I was late. I got here like a little bit after 9 a.m. I should have gotten here right at 8. I did not know that the clearer part, or the only clear part of the spring is this one right here. And the swimming area is over there, over here. So that means that we can kayak. I can kayak all the way up to here, and hopefully next time I come I can see the manatees.
Anna Marie's the mom. Matthew's in here. Matthew is that one. It's Matthew.
Is it common that they're like in this area like every day, or no?
No.
Or in the channel?
No. Weeks old.
Mm-hmm. Thank you so much. Oh my God, this is a treat, such a treat.
It's a treat for me too. I've been dying to see this baby, and it's now I am.
The little baby is like 2 weeks old, right?
Yeah.
It's a little baby.
And then that one is a year old. So that, I think, if it goes under, it's nursing, and that'll be the mother.
So the next time I come, I'm not sure. You never know. I don't know if the manatees are going to be here. She says that it's not very common. She's never seen them this up close. So I don't know if the next time I come, they're going to be here. So I hope that next time I come, it's not overcast. That's another reason why I cut today's trip short. So no Gloria. I forgot Gloria. It's overcast. The sun is not out, and I came in too late. I should have gotten here right at 8, so that I could have gone all the way up the channel. I don't know if I'll get to see the manatees the next time I come, but I will keep trying until I do.